Hello there, we are back here with NAS unboxing, where today we are going to take a look at the PoE managed switch, the QGD-1600P, brought by QNAP, which it also runs on QNAP's own OS, the QDS, and it does support virtual machines. Well, as we have the QGD-1600P, the switch itself over here, or known as the Guardian, it is a flexible and scalable switch for deployment with a dual CPU design coming with a comprehensive layer 2 management functions, and is equipped with an Intel J4-115 quad-core CPU, 8GB RAM, two 2.5-inch SSD HD slots, and two PCIe. Yes, as we remove the top cover, we see that at the center of it is the Intel Celeron J415 quad-core 1.8 GHz processor. Up here is the DDR4 RAM with a maximum up to 8 GB RAM, and then we have here the PCIe expansion area, and we have the slots for the 2.5-inch SSD and HDD slots over here on the side. So this is how it actually looks like from the inside and the top cover, and we have this small fan over the CPU here to cool the whole switch. And as mentioned at the beginning of this video, the QGD is a multi-solution QTS access switch where it provides a vast number of applications, say on a local store or deployed on a restaurant to manage the digital signage, the digital menu, and take advantage of its storage capabilities and have all-in-one solution. I must say, it is a switch we haven't seen before and is unique with its features as a smart PoE edge switch, bringing the network experience to a whole new level. So this is the NAS unboxing for today with the QGD-1600P PoE switch. Hope you enjoyed it and you got to know more about it through this video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.